Hello, my name is Anoush Kazarians, and I would like to welcome you to Astro 110, Astronomy of the Solar System, here at Glendale Community College. I will be your tour guide as we walk through a little tour of our little corner of the universe in our solar system. We'll talk about the Earth, the Moon, the Sun, as well as the terrestrial planets and the gas giants, and the asteroid belt, the meteors, dwarf planets, a little shout out to Pluto on that note. And we'll also be talking about extrasolar planetary systems, so planets that orbit other stars and how we've discovered those planets that orbit other stars. We will be talking about the different missions that we've sent out to all the different planets and all the different asteroids and, to the moons of the planets and all these things, to be able to get a little bit of an understanding of how we got the data that we have right now for all the things that we know about all of the stuff in our solar system. So it's going to be a really exciting, really fun course where we'll be outlining all of what we know about the solar system and, like I said, how we came upon that information. Now, of course, it is a science-based course that we will be embarking on as we move through this semester. So if you find yourself struggling with the material, unable to understand it on the first try, that's totally normal. And I encourage you, in fact, I welcome you to go ahead and email me or send me a quick message on Canvas or through the Pronto messaging app and let me know that this is the sort of hiccup you're having in the course, and I will do my best to help you out and we can move forward with stronger understanding of what's going on. So the entire detailed explanation of how this course is outlined is provided in the syllabus. So I would strongly suggest that you go ahead and take a look at that once the course is published, so that you have an understanding of how we'll be moving forward in terms of how many tests we have, how many quizzes we're going to be doing, and how many assignments and things like that. One thing that I would like to mention, though, is that the quizzes that we will be having every week don't necessarily act like quizzes. Instead, they'll basically be an online version of a worksheet. So you're more than welcome to go ahead and use any and all of your notes when you are working on those quizzes. I encourage that 100% because they're not technically quizzes. You'll get 2 attempts at each of those and the higher score will be kept. So that's just one little note to give you an idea of how some of the rules in this class will work. Of course, if you have any questions about your scores, you're more than welcome to reach out to me and come to me with any questions that you might have about that. And I'll do my best to go ahead and work with you in ensuring that you get the highest score possible for the amount of work that you put into the course. So without any further ado, I would like to go ahead and just welcome you all to this course. And I'm so excited that you've decided to join. And I can't wait to get started and do this little tour of our solar system. So I will let you go ahead and explore before we get started in class.